favorite beauty products that are on deal today. Number one is the heat protectant Moroccan oil. It protects up to 450 degrees. It smells insane. It is just heavenly. I am obsessed with this stuff. It's so, so good. If you need a hair protectant, get the Moroccan oil. Also the Redken, this is a leave-in conditioner, bonding acidic treatment. This is so good. It has made my hair health so much better. My hair was really unhealthy and now, well, you can see I'm letting it grow out. My natural color, which is a lot darker than the rest of my hair, as you can see, but it's become so much healthier that I've been backing off the highlighting it and the dyeing and all that stuff, and I've been using this leave-in treatment, which has made it so much healthier, and it's been really nice to just to add a really nice great leave-in treatment. I also have my mask that I love on deal today for you guys. This is the Dead Sea Mud Mask. It is so good. It smells insane. And I just love this. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it through here. It is a nice, deep charcoal color, and this stuff's incredible. It's anti-acne, deep skin cleanser, pore reducer. So if you have large pores right here is where most people get them, this will help reduce the looks of that as well, which is lovely. Love a good mud mask. I think once a week to exfoliate and then to use a mud mask will make your skin look so much better. Also the Kerastase elixir oil is on sale. I love this. A little goes a long way. I usually just focus on the bottoms of my hair, but you can do a little on the roots. It just helps your hair feel so much softer and it makes your hair health so much better. Also, of course, one of my favorite products I talk about all the time is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I love the way that this looks. I feel like the packaging is so cute, and I'm a sucker for packaging. I cannot help it, but this stuff is incredible. It's infused with this like extract that's supposed to actually help tighten the look of like problem areas like cellulite that need a little tightening and toning. I'm almost out, but this stuff is so luxurious. It's so creamy. And it's just like, it smells incredible. I just love it so much, even just for the scent, because it just smells so good. It smells like a luxurious beach vacation. That's what I think it smells like. I love it. So yeah, there's that, and it's incredible. And you can grab this for 20% off today, which is insane. The Elemis Pro Collagen Treatment is on deal today for 30% off. One of my favorite cleansers of all time. You can see Luna behind me. I've also linked up the Blue Beautify, or is it Beautifly? How do you say it? Yeah, Beautifly scalp oil serum. This stuff is insane. And I just put a little bit on my scalp where my hair grows, and then just kind of massage it in. And my hair has been growing like crazy. Everyone asks me, why is your hair growing so fast? I don't know. I think it might be because of this, and maybe just I've been upgrading my hair products a little bit to some more high-end stuff like Redken, Kerastase, using oils, not washing my hair every day, backing off on the highlighting. You can see it's like down to here. So I'm letting it just be natural, and it feels so much healthier. It's so much better for your hair, which I'm actually liking the darker. Actually, sometimes I feel like it might be better than the super blonde. I feel like everyone dyes their hair blonde, and it's just like, I want it to be different and I want it to be natural. So I'm letting my natural hair color grow out, and I'm actually liking it. Some days I'm like, oh gosh, I need to go back to blonde. And then I'm like, you know what? Let's just keep letting it grow. Be healthy, be natural. The next thing is like my favorite new, where is it? Did I forget to bring it? I might have to go grab it. This stuff is a cheek and lip tint. Hold on, I'm gonna grab it. It's so good. I shared it earlier. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this is so good. It's from the brand Milk Makeup. And I'm so cozy. I'm in my lounge outfit and my slippers from Amazon. And I'm just so cozy. But this is, look how cute this is. Milk Makeup, and it's a little jelly cooling water balm. It's in the color Chill. And you open it, and it's literally like a little jelly. And then you just literally compress a little bit on your cheeks. Just dab it. A little dab goes a long way, because I already had a little on. And then you just kind of blend it in. And it is just so pretty and pink. I was really scared, not scared, but like I was hesitant to use blush the last 10 years. I was like, I don't know, I feel like it's a bit much. Now that I'm 38, I feel like blush makes my face more vibrant, awake, and it just kind of makes my face look more youthful. Gives you kind of that like little rosy cheek, which I always was like, no, I want my face to be more like sunk in cheeks. And no, that's not as youthful. Actually, youthful is having a little cherry cheek with a little something there. It's good to have some of that collagen in your face, so it makes you look younger. So don't shy away from blush. And this one's so good. First of all, like I said, I'm a sucker for packaging. So cute, and it's just such a good product. And you can also use this on your lips. You can use this as eyeshadow as well, and it's just so pretty. I love it. So you added a little bit of pink. That's actually really pretty. Yeah, I'll put a little bit on the other eye. Although I'm really not going anywhere today besides picking my dogs up from the groomer. They're at the groomer right now. Both dogs got in at the same time. I always like to bring them at the same time. That way they can like mentally support each other because they don't like it. So they're in the same room. So they're like giving each other some motivation. So love this stuff. $20 today. It is 20% off. My Tree Hut Moroccan Rose is on sale. I love this. This is so good. It's a shea sugar scrub. I'm actually going to take a nice bath this evening and I'm going to use this. I might exfoliate my face tonight. I'm just really getting into self-care. I've had a rough couple years and I'm just on my self-care kick right now. I have a crock pot right now going. I'm starting to cook more at home. I'm going to do more baths, more skincare, calm me time, reading, maybe some doodling with my paint markers, all that stuff. I think really taking care of yourself is so important, and we all need to give ourselves some love and some nice skincare, and just give yourself a little routine at night where you treat yourself. Just like a sugar scrub to me is such a nice treat. So I love this stuff. It's on deal for like $7, under $8, 7 something and some change. Redken is like my favorite. Redken and Kerastase are my favorite 2 hair brands for shampoo, conditioner, and oils. Since I've been using Redken, my hair, I don't even straighten it. I don't put curl in it. I just let it like air dry, and it doesn't look too bad because I've been trying to not use any heat on it, including blow dryers. But Redken is on sale. There's a lot of shampoos and conditioners on sale, and also the Kerastase is insane. Kerastase is by far the best shampoo and conditioner, I would say, in the world. I started using it when I lived in Denmark because all the Danish girls use Kerastase. I noticed like everyone's house I went to, Kerastase was in their bathroom. I always look in people's showers. Is that nosy? But I always want to see what they use for their hair. I just do. And they have the best hair in Denmark. All like this healthy hair that I'm doing is because that's what they always do there. I noticed they were all natural. Like their hair was all natural. No one's really doing a lot of Botox over there. They just use really good, high quality products, and it just helps their skin and their hair look really healthy and good. So something to it, guys. Also, I've linked up a lip plump, which is very similar to this one. This one I couldn't find. I don't think it's on deal, but this is the Dr. Dennis Lip Pump and Repair. I linked up a similar one, but it's a little cheaper. It's actually $18 today for a nice glossy lip pump without color. It's just a gloss. So what I like to do is I like to use like a lip color. This is a Laura Mercier. It's not on sale today, but it's just this really pretty color. I have it on right now. And then I add a little bit of my cheek tint and plump that I actually showed you a minute ago, and then I add a little bit of plump, so it's just really nice, pretty, like a 3-step, but it's fun. And yeah, I love that. So I also have linked up a few hair dryers if you need a hair dryer. This high-speed one is $98. Also, the Shark hair dryer line is on deal for $149. It's usually $229. So if you've been wanting to get a Dyson hair dryer or the Shark hair dryer, they're both really great. They both have vacuums, Shark vacuums and Dyson. They have hair tools now, and they are literally incredible. I have Shark and Dyson, and I would say they're both amazing, and they're very expensive. So every year during Prime Day, I always share Dyson's Nespresso machines, Shark anything Shark, and then Dyson hair care and hairline stuff, because hair tools, because those brands, and Barefoot Dreams as well, like those brands have some great deals during Prime Day, and then the rest of the year I just wouldn't spend the money on it because it's just too much. So yeah, I've also linked up the Bio-Ionic Barrel Styler, which is usually $162. It gets great reviews. It's $99 today. And then my Revlon One Step hair dryer that you can actually blow out your hair like with the curling wand and the dryer at the same time. I own this and love it. Had it for years. I use this on special occasions. It's $29 today. I think it's like 57% off. Yeah, it's usually $69. So incredible deals today, you guys. This is just a laid back jump on and share some beauty products. I know every